Who were the Marathas and how they became the strongest enemy of the Mughals? I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and thank you for joining me here. Today I will be talking about who were the Marathas and how they became the strongest enemy of the Mughals. As a student of history, we have read extensively that they were the people who gave tough time to the Mughals. Even they were the people who weakened the Mughal सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी ओवर सब कॉन्टिनेंट। यानी कि ये वो लोग थे जिन्होंने ना सिर्फ मुग़ल को टफ टाइम दिया, बल्कि इन्होंने जो मुग़ल अथॉरिटी थी, जो सेंट्रल अथॉरिटी थी ओवर सब कॉन्टिनेंट, उसको भी वीक किया, उसको भी इफ़ेक्ट किया। दे वर मराठी स्पीकिंग पीपल, दे बिलोंग टू द वेस्टर्न दक्कन से इनका ताल्लुक़ था। दे रिवोल्टेड और दे बिकेम प्रोमिनेंट in the 70th century under the leadership of their supreme leader Shivaji. Shivaji was the figure who started revolting against the Mughal Empire as well as the Adil Shahi dynasty. Shivaji wanted to establish his own kingdom, and this was his desire, which later on became the important factor for the conflict between the Marathas and the Mughals. So now I would highlight with you the three important reasons that would reflect that how they became the strongest enemy of the Mughals. Number one factor which proved as the most important factor related to the conflict between the Marathas and the Mughals was that the Marathas were Hindus while the Mughals were the Muslims. And this religious difference led to the conflict and the confrontation between the Marathas and the Mughals. The second important factor which made the enemy of Mughals to the Marathas was that the Marathas wanted to establish their own kingdom with the title of the Maratha Empire, while the Mughals wanted to establish their own kingdom in the southern India. And that is why we know that in the history that Aurangzeb Alamgir took several military campaigns in the southern India just to crush the powers of the Marathas in the southern India. So ये दूसरा फैक्टर बड़ा हमें इम्पॉर्टेंट नज़र आता है कि वो अपनी मराठा एम्पायर इस्टेब्लिश करना चाहते हैं, जबकि मुग़ल जो हैं वो अपने रूल को जो एक्सपैंड करना चाहते हैं, अपनी एम्पायर को एक्सपैंड करना चाहते हैं। नॉर्दर्न इंडिया पे उनकी पहली गवर्नमेंट हुकूमत थी बाबर के टाइम से। सदर्न इंडिया की तरफ वो नहीं चाहते थे कोई और एम्पायर इस्टेब्लिश हो। तो ये दूसरी बड़ी हमें वजह नज़र आती है कि मराठा का एनिमी बनने में मुग़ल्स का। थर्ड इम्पॉर्टेंट जो हमें फैक्टर और नज़र आता है वो ये नज़र आता है कि द मराठा वाज ग्रोइंग इकोनॉमिक पावर while the Mughals were declining at that time in terms of economy. So this economic difference also led to the conflict and confrontation between the Marathas and the Mughals. So this is how we can say that they became the strongest enemy, or their conflict or confrontation started with the Mughals. So with this we can conclude this topic, and we hope to see you again with the new topic of history. Thank you.